Select the Type tool. Select No Color for the fill. And pick a stroke color. Type your text. Use the Selection tool to resize and move the text. I use a stroke weight of 5 points. Go to Type and select Create Outlines. Go to Edit. Copy. Then go to Edit. Paste in front. Make the stroke the same color as the background. Press Shift plus Alt and make this text smaller. Go to Object. Arrange. Send backward. Select both texts. Select the Blend tool. Select specified steps. And use an amount of 100. Go to Object. Blend. Make. And that's how you create this 3D text effect.